Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make pizza at home. This is butter, this is milk, this is yeast, my 1 egg, salt and sugar. So I'm going to combine these 5 ingredients apart from salt, because salt I'll be mixing it directly to the flour. So I'm going to combine these 5 together. So now I'm going to combine my mixture with the flour. And now I am going to knead it. So now I'm going to knead it with my hands. I don't want to overwork my dough, so I am going to leave it at that. And I am going to add just a little bit of oil. So now my dough is ready. I'm going to let it double in size in about 1 hour. See you then. These are my ingredients for making tomato concasse. This is my tomato puree. These are chopped onions. This is garlic. These are my tomatoes, oregano, and cooking oil. I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons of oil. And now I'm going to add my onions and garlic. Cook your garlic and onions for about 5 minutes. I am now going to add tomatoes, tomato puree, add a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper and stir them together. Now then cook for 5 minutes. After cooking for 5 minutes, this is what I have, and I am going to blend it so that I can get the tomato concasse. This is my dough after 1 hour, and I am going to knead it again. Transfer it in this tin, and I'm going to dust my tin. I am going to let my dough rest for around 20 minutes, and then I will work on it by putting on the toppings and tomato concasse and some mozzarella cheese. This is the cheese I'll be using. Now I am going to apply my tomato concasse on the dough. This is my chicken topping. Today I'm making chicken pizza. I am now going to add my grated mozzarella cheese. I will put lots of cheese because I love cheese. And now I am going to add some oregano. I'll bake it at 250 degrees. Here is my pizza. I baked it for 5 minutes at 250 degrees. And so I am going to cut it.